Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Laura, and today I am journaling in my Hobonichi, the Cousin, and it's the Avec, which is separated into two parts of the year. You go January to June and then July to December, and I love it because I can be simple or I can add a lot and I don't have to worry about running out of space or having this huge journal in December. I'll just have a huge one in June. So anyways, I'm doing March today, and I am adding a ton of pictures because I love pictures and I just feel like they captured a lot of memories. We were helping my parents paint part of their house on the inside, and so we were drawing with paint on the wall because, you know, that's fun. And it was super cool because my kids were happy to help and get it done, and they both had smiles on their faces and were being silly, and I put the 100% there because I was like, they really did put their 100% help in with us. So that was super cool. I like to write what I'm thankful for in my journals. I like to share about a little bit of what my day has been or what has been happening, and I'm still playing to catch up, so these videos are getting put up a little later than I would like, but that's okay. And I wrote family time because Sundays is we try to have family time on our day, and today was painting my parents. And my theme for this year is I trust you, Lord. So I like to write that every day because I just am reminded of that, and I want to remind myself of that when I sometimes forget. And yeah, so did a little bit of that, and used red, which is crazy. I'm not a big red color. Is anyone else? Like, red is just not a pleasing color to me. I don't know. Anyways, here I'm putting up some pictures of my kids when they were dancing. They had a student showcase a couple weeks back, or days. Yeah, well, how long ago was that? I guess it was just shortly. Anyways, we got some pictures from it, and so I thought I'd throw that in there because it was a cool picture of them dancing together. And then my daughter and son went to a swing dancing night, and so they're all dressed up. And then my son got sick, so I put that germs dude because I was like, and he's just had a kind of like a head cold, and yeah, super no fun. But I thought I don't know, I thought that little dude was cute, so I thought I'd put him in there. And then I said about the swing dancing, it was super fun. It was formal night at their swing dancing night, so they got dressed up, which is not like something they do a lot, so it was kind of fun to see them get all dressed up. And my son was in a shirt and tie, my daughter was in a nice flowered beautiful dress, and so yeah, just adding in those things, some things I'm grateful for, what's going on, and that whole I trust you, Lord. So that's March 1st through March 2nd. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Have a blessed day.